Top 5 Smartwatch for Kids. Number 5. VTech KidZoom. 2 cameras allow you to take video and selfies that can be customized. Monster Detector game creates an augmented reality gaming experience. Helps kids learn to tell time and has 55 digital. Includes a motion sensor for active play challenges. The perfect tech for kids. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 4. KD Interactive Curio. Curio Watch 2.0 Plus is a real Bluetooth smartwatch built especially for kids. Message friends via Bluetooth to share texts, emojis, selfies, doodles. Play single and two-player games on one watch. The front-facing camera is perfect for selfies and recording video. Scratch-resistant and splash-proof protection. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 3. Garmin VivoFit JR2. Swim-friendly kids activity tracker with Star Wars theme. Tracks steps. Kid Tough Stretchy Band, features a customizable color screen. Stretchy band comfortably fits a wrist 5.78 inches in circumference. Front/back glass, Gorilla Glass 5, aluminum frame. 1 lithium metal batteries. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 2. Leapfrog Leap Band. Experience the first activity tracker made for kids. Preload Leap Band with 50 active challenges that get kids moving. Parent controls on Leapfrog Connect make it easy to set play times. Encourages active play, nurturing and healthy choices. Ages 4 to 7 years. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 1. Curio Watch 2.0 Plus. Curio Watch 2.0 Plus is a real Bluetooth smartwatch built especially for kids. Now comes with two interchangeable bands to match your style. Message friends via Bluetooth to share texts, emojis, selfies, doodles. Plus, everything you need in a smartwatch. Play single and two-player games on one watch. Please check out the description for details and update price.